what's going on, guys? So I'm gonna open up 1, 2, 3, 4 locks for you, okay? Take this in. Got my tool here. Locked.
You okay?
Master V-line.
Yeah. Shit, man, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You look terrible.
Yeah? Man, that looks pretty bad.
Let me see this. Oh,
Up.
man.
Open.
Oh, I gotta change this.
This one's
I need a field dress.
locked.
Mess.
See that?
Shit. Squeeze right here.
I like this one for this one. Yeah, you break it. Break it.
So,
Take the rake.
where are we,
Pick.
Mr. Navigator, man? In the mountains north of Misovich. You think
Locked.
this house is Jack?
We're not gonna be around to find out. Marcus was really curious what happened to his $40 million plane.
Forget it, I already tried. You need to get to higher ground.
Open.
You think it'll work up there?
That's 3 open.
Yeah.
This is locked
Just
2.
get high enough.
You don't even need a torque wrench for that guy. If you're so small, you don't even need a torque wrench for it. I like this one right here.
Listen, I should have done
And
this missile. Yeah, you should have. You blew it. You took me down with you. I thought you had great reflexes. What happened to you? I used to have like a good pilot.
Man, you're slipping.
You need to watch it.
there we go. Easy as pie.